This is my little goat Murphy. He's a 2-year-old La Mancha Nigerian dwarf mix. Yeah. And he's learning to dance. Murphy. Murphy, circle. Good boy. Murphy, twirl. Good boy. We have to wait till he finishes what's in his mouth. Murphy, circle. Little detour there. But that's okay, you still circled. Good boy. Murphy, circle. Good boy. Murphy, twirl. Good boy. Whoopsie. There you go. One more. You ready? Murphy, twirl. Good boy. Yeah.